back to my channel. As you can see, I have a box here, and it is a subscription box. Now this is brand new to me, and it's called the TestTube by NewBeauty. There's a lot of skincare in here, so I'm gonna call this a skincare box. You do get a makeup product or two. This is my first one, and I've seen the past tubes that they've sent. It's really just mainly skincare, but the value is absolutely unbelievable. Now it's every 2 months, so you'll get it every other month. This one is the March tube, and I got it extremely late because it sold out so quickly. The next one due to be shipped is for May. Now I skipped May's because I saw what is gonna be in it. It just really didn't call out to me. So I'm on schedule to receive the July box, where they will bill you sometime in the middle or end of June. The price of the box, it's $29.95. Now, the only thing I don't like is that you pay for shipping, and the shipping is $8.95. I don't see that they offer any coupon codes, so you're paying $38.90 every 2 months to receive this tube. This is how it came packed. So the tube came packed in here. These two products were in the actual box. The only thing is there wasn't any bubble wrap or foam or anything to kind of keep everything from bouncing around and breaking. One of the products actually leaked, and it was in a baggie, so at least it didn't get all over the place. They send you a magazine as well, so they'll send it to you seasonally. So this is the spring 2019 version, and it's just like a magazine, and it gives you products and everything that's out. So you get this little pamphlet, and inside it does have all the products with the prices and a quick description. And this is what the tube looks like. So this is really cute because I saw that they send different colors and different patterns each time they send this out. So now this product here is not actually part of the tube itself, but we had received an email. The people that had not received the March tube yet, and it was taking a very, very long time, they had sent us an email and said that we were going to be receiving an extra product in our box. And it looks like this one is it. It's from Copper and Crane, and it's a charcoal body polish. I looked this up, and it is valued at like $25. And it's just a body scrub, and it's supposed to clarify and detoxify and purify the skin. And I always love a good body scrub. I've been really into them lately. When I reached out to customer service to skip May, they told me over the phone that I was eligible for a free product, and they gave me a list of different things, and they told me to pick one, and I picked the Sunday Riley Martian Toner, which I've used in a sample size before, and it is very, very good for like breakout prone oily skin. So I did pick that. I believe it's supposed to ship separately. Now let's get into the actual tube. This is from Rica Beauty. This is the Turmeric Cucumber Peel-Off Mask. This is a pore clearing mask best suited for drier combination skin. When used weekly, this peel-off treatment works to soothe skin, tighten pores, and polish the top layer of skin. This is available at ricabeauty.com, and it is $29.50. This is the full size, so it's 2.5 ounces. It is just a squeeze out bottle, and you can see a little bit of the product there, where you can just apply it easily onto your face. I think this is a sample size. I'm pretty sure it is. This is from VMV Hypoallergenics. It's the Grandma Minnies Boo Boo Balm. This is a 0.28 ounce size. I don't think this is full size. It says that you can purchase this on their website for $17. It's a do everything skin saver and make it better solve. It's good for chapped lips, cuts, and severely dry patches. This is the next product here, and it is a 15 milliliter size. This is the Miracle Fruit Seed Oil Treatment, and it says it's clinically proven to naturally condition, protect, strengthen, and repair strands with each use. This feather light oil is nothing short of a miracle worker for damaged or weakened hair. The full size is $50. So this is the one makeup product in the box, and it's from Grande Cosmetics. It's the Hydrating Lip Plumper in Sugar Plum. This is the full size. It's valued at $27. It's a high gloss volumizing lip treatment that's specially formulated to deliver both instant and long-term results. It has this ingredient called Volulip, and it enhances lip volume and gives a plumping effect, while hyaluronic acid moisturizes, improves firmness, and helps stimulate plumping. So that's what the shade looks like. The applicator is not the best, but I really do like this shade. This next product is another little sample. It is a 0.50 fluid ounce or 15 milliliter size. It's from Sulwahasoo. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It's the Essential Balancing Emulsion. This is a lightweight skin softening lotion that battles dryness and uneven texture using herbal ingredients. So it's kind of like an essence. It has this Jown Balancing Complex. It's a union of 5 specially chosen herbal ingredients that restores balance and provides antioxidant protection. You can get the full size on the Nordstrom.com website, and it's $63. So this next thing was the product that actually had leaked. This came in like a big baggie, and I saw that it had leaked from the top. This is the Essential Elements Shower Gel. Now, I didn't notice it right away, but in the book, the scent is supposed to be the fresh neroli scent, which is orange blossom, lemon, and rosewood. I'm much happier with this one. This is a rosemary mint scent, and I absolutely love it. This is a really good size. It's a 12 fluid ounce. This is actually valued at $29. This is the next product, and as you can see, like, they put it in a little baggie, so I kept it to show you. This I was really excited about because I'm really into face mists lately. This is from the brand Provari. This is the Organic Rose Petal Mist. This is a 1 fluid ounce size, but whatever the full size is, and I'm sorry that I did not get what the full sizes are and what the values of these are, but you can get the full size for $18. It says it's 100% organic mist designed to hydrate, reduce redness, control oil production, and brighten tone with help from nutrient-rich rose petals. Next product, I was so excited because this is so expensive. This is from Amore Pacific. It's the Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. This is only a 0.2 fluid ounce size or 8 milliliter size. Look how cute that bottle is. I think it is so adorable to package in. It looks so luxe and so fancy. The full size is $200. There's a lot of value in this little sample here. This is a 2-in-1 whipped formula. Use it as a cream or an overnight mask. It boosts skin radiance, hydration, and ability to protect itself by way of natural potent ingredients. It says it has green tea, polysaccharides that shield skin from external aggressors and environmental pollutants, while peony helps brighten tone over time. We don't get that much, but it's filled to the top, which I could really appreciate. And here is the star of the whole entire box. I mean, this is why I signed up for this. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This is brand new. It just came out not long ago, and this is the full 1 ounce size. This is valued at $85. I actually received a sample of this in an Allure box. We had received this plus their new CEO Glow Oil, and I absolutely fell in love. It clarified my skin so quick. This is a potent retinoid meets botanical blend that delivers all of the complexion bettering benefits of a traditional vitamin A formula. Think skin clarity and lessens lines and wrinkles without irritation. Unlike many retinoids, this one cuts any potential exasperation by pairing it with soothing botanicals. Every bottle contains 5% retinoid ester complex, 1% stabilized retinol blend, and 0.5% blue-green algae. So that is everything in the NewBeauty test tube. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you think that this was worth it? I definitely think that this was worth the $38. The Sunday Riley alone is what makes this all worth it. I will have the link down below, so if you're interested in signing up or seeing what's in the May box, I highly recommend checking out this subscription. I think it is so good. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it and help me grow my channel. Also, check out my Instagram. I post there a lot as well. That is in the description box down below. But until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.